Elena, grab the umbrella. Go the other side.
Mom, it's that truck. TV there?
Yes.
Oh, I feel it. I feel it.
Sit down, Boo.
I feel it. Mom, I said it worked.
Mhm.
Why do I feel like it's moving?
Yeah, it's moving.
What? Oh, Dad's coming. Dad?
What?
Good? Good, Dad?
Yeah, it's good. It's working now.
Hey,
Yeah.
do you press it?
Yeah, hold your hat.
Woo. Woo. Oh my God. Oh, dang. Don't be in the way. Oh. Mom, do you think I use shoes? Oh, you don't want your shoes. Oh, you think oh. Mom, look.
Mhm.
That's called weight. Mom, it looks green. It's way bigger. Oh,
Okay.
it's green. No, you. Where are we going?
Go over there.
Oh, there? Wait, what's that, Dad?
It's trolling motor. Instead of going fast, it's going to go slow.
Oh.
Oh shoot.
Here. Just I got set down.
Mhm.
Oh! You gotta go fishing there? But Mike, well, how could you go get? But you don't have one. But yeah, how could you go get my fishing?
Where'd you put it?
Well, and now it's broken because I want my fish. Dropping down. Oh, and it gone. But there's still more. No, it gone.
Ah.
Yeah. And
Elena,
yeah, your mom.
you got it?
Heavy. Yeah. Why are you getting mine?
Elena, you gotta hold your a little bit higher so you don't hit Jimmy. Yeah.
Like this? Why you hit my spot? I can't even hold it, bro. I can hold you, Mom. What are you doing? But why you have to sway you, Mom?
You gotta hold your umbrella a little bit higher. Yeah, like that.
Better?
Mhm.
I'm just thinking. I just want to do like this.
Okay.
Oh, shoot. Mom, what's that doing?
Yeah, fishing.
Do you live it? Well, what about me?
You see right there.
But I just have my own fish there, but I want to go. I was like, Mom,
Mhm.
You see something like a square wave or a far away.
Where?
Why?
Mhm.
You want to know why?
What she's
why do
doing
you
here,
why
Mom?
do you have to run away from the
Why?
square wave?
Mom, what
Because
she's
there's
doing
gonna be a
here?
We're
tsunami.
running boat. That's a duck.
What are those doing here?
What?
What's those doing here?
What?
What
A
are you
duck?
doing here?
What are we doing here?
Yeah.
Yeah, fishing.
No, a duck.
No, like
The
it's
duck?
like Damon's saying like, why is it here?
The duck is swimming. It's too hot.
She's swimming
Mhm.
so far. It's so warm.
It's okay. It's trying to
It's
cool
late.
down, Damon. It's trying to cool down.
But
Just
I
one
just have
person.
my own fishing and then I broke it.
Uh-oh. Then we had to buy you a new one.
It was an accident. I was like, is this supposed to work or something?
But I really want to go fishing.
We had to buy you a new fishing pole.
How does it work as a fishing?
But I want to go fishing.
Okay, we'll give you a new fish.
Fishing.
I don't know. You tell me.
With that
It's
fish is
boring.
small one.
Oh, I'm just saying, like, what does it feel like? I've
Oh,
never fished in my life.
Yes, you did.
With Damon's, but like, what is it?
Fishing.
No, like, not fishing. Like, what do you feel like if you? What if you caught your fish for the first time? What would you feel like?
Mom?
You tell me. Your eye. I see your eye now.
Okay.
There you go. I can't see your eye.
Wait, let me ask the people. What would you feel like if you had your first?
Do you
Fish.
go see my eye?
What would you feel like? Answer in the comment.
Excited.
Do you
I
go
would
see
feel
my
very
eye?
happy because it would be my first time.
You do
I'll
see
be
my
too.
eye?
I don't see your eyes.
Do you see my eye?
Oh, I see your eyes now.
Turn to
Do
Damon.
you see my eye?
I see your eyes now.
Do you see my eye? Do you see my eye or no?
Yes, I see your eyes.
Will you teaching? Do you see a brother?
Do
Do you see my hand?
Yes, I did.
I see
You see my
I see
hand?
It splashed me.
Wait,
It's a
Mom.
motor pipe.
Yeah, it's a baby motor pipe.
Oh!
Yeah,